Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from BootayBag. I have not done this for quite a while on my channel, but this is a fun underwear subscription. Comes with this cute little bag, and it does come inside like a plain mailer, so people don't know you're getting underwear, if that helps. But you just rip it open. It's $13 a month, and I believe you get 2 pairs of underwear. And of course you could select your size, but like the styles and all that, the colors, that is all a surprise each month. So I've done a few of these in the past, and I'll link them below. But this first one is just a nice white lace undie. Oh, it's actually a thong too in the back. Didn't notice that. Super soft. And then we have, what color is this? I would call it like a light pink. I feel like there's a different color that is on the tip of my tongue. And you guys are probably going to put it in the comments. Like, that's a whatever shade. On camera, though, when I'm looking through the viewfinder, it almost looks white, but it's like a really pale pink. And again, lace, mesh, see-through. That one's a little bit more coverage. It's super cute. It has the style numbers on it, but doesn't say what style it is. But I got mine in large because I do have a big booty. So, that is what I got for my October bag. If you guys would like to see what I got in the past, of course I'll link those videos. If you want to sign up for a subscription, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.